Hello, Mark. Welcome to the evening shift at Mỹ Đình Stadium.
Hi, Anna. There are many fans outside the stadium today.
Yes, thousands of people are coming to watch the match.
Everyone is wearing red shirts to support the national team.
We need to manage the entrance gates very carefully today.
I agree. Safety is our main goal for this big event.
Did you check all the ticket scanners at Gate A?
Yes, all 6 scanners are working properly right now.
That is good news because the lines will grow fast.
Some fans have questions about their ticket seat numbers.
We should place 2 helpers near the main information desk.
I will assign Sarah and John to help those fans.
Thank you. That will solve the problem very quickly.
What should we do about people buying fake tickets outside?
Security officers are already checking the area around the stadium.
They will stop illegal ticket sales outside the gates.
Good. We only accept valid tickets at the entrance.
Many fans brought large drums and banners to cheer.
We must check all large bags for safety reasons.
Should we open 2 extra lines for bag checks?
Yes, opening extra lines will keep the crowd moving.
I will call the security team to open Gate B now.
Please make sure they have enough staff at Gate B.
I called them, and 4 officers are walking there now.
Great. Our team communication is working very well tonight.
Look, the Vietnam team bus has just arrived outside.
The crowd is cheering loudly for Coach Kim Sang-sik.
The coach looks very confident about winning 3 points today.
The team prepared hard for this match against Cambodia.
Vietnam has a strong record against Cambodia in the past.
Yes, but we must still focus on our event duties.
Right. Let us check the lighting around the stadium corridors.
Section C needs 1 more light near the exit door.
I will report this lighting issue to the maintenance technician.
Tell them to fix it before the match starts at 8.
The technician is on his way to Section C now.
Excellent. Quick problem solving helps prevent accidents later.
Are there any disabled fans needing special entry assistance today?
Yes, Gate D is reserved for fans with special needs.
Ramp access is clean and ready for wheelchairs at Gate D.
Our staff member Tom is guiding fans at Gate D.
Tom is very friendly and patient with all visitors.
Now let us check the emergency medical room equipment.
2 doctors and 4 nurses are ready in the medical room.
They have water, first aid kits, and stretchers available.
Hot weather can cause some fans to feel tired or dizzy.
We should offer free drinking water near the main gates.
I ordered 10 boxes of bottled water for the gates.
That will help fans stay hydrated during this warm evening.
The water boxes just arrived at the East Gate entrance.
Please ask 2 volunteers to distribute the water bottles now.
They are distributing water bottles to waiting fans right now.
Fans are happy with our attentive service at the stadium.
What is the weather report for the rest of tonight?
The sky is clear and there is no rain expected.
That is great for playing and watching football outdoors.
The stadium doors will open in 15 minutes from now.
I will make a final announcement on the loudspeaker system.
Please remind fans to hold their paper tickets clearly.
I will also ask everyone to keep the walkways clear.
Clear walkways ensure fast movement and safety for all guests.
The announcement is finished, and fans are walking in order.
The lines are moving smoothly through all 4 main gates.
Our staff is doing a wonderful job managing this event.
We should check the VIP entrance for special guests now.
VIP guests have arrived and their badges are checked already.
Are the media reporters seated in the press box area?
Yes, 30 journalists are prepared with camera equipment upstairs.
They will broadcast the match live to millions of viewers.
The atmosphere inside the stadium is getting very loud now.
Both football teams are coming onto the green pitch now.
Listen to the loud cheer from thousands of loyal fans.
Everything is under control, and our planning was successful today.
We solved all minor problems quickly and worked together well.
We will monitor the exits when the match ends tonight.
I will keep my walkie-talkie open for any team updates.
Thank you for your hard work and great teamwork, Mark.
Thank you, Anna. Let us enjoy this successful sports event.
Vietnam is ready for victory, and so is our team.
Have a great night and stay safe on duty tonight.